Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and let me show you how to reset all the settings here. So at first you need to open the list of all apps and go to settings. Then click on General Management, scroll a bit lower and mark Reset. Here you will notice Reset All Settings. And if you truly want to reset all the settings on phone except security settings, language settings, all accounts, personal data and settings for downloaded apps, just click on Reset Settings. Now you have to confirm your decision by entering your PIN code and click on Reset one more time. And now you need to patiently wait till the operation is finished. So just give it a couple of seconds. You can go back to your home screen to see if it has been done. And that's it. As you can see, now just swipe to unlock and provide your screen lock pattern, password or PIN code, and you can use your device with system settings applied, like default ones obviously. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.